Hello everyone. In our last video we have discussed that a transformer can be used in power transmission. So today in this video we'll discuss about the power transmission using a transformer. Use of transformer in power transmission. So while transferring power from one point to another point, there is a lot of wastage of energy due to the heating effect of current, and the heat produced by a conductor is given by H is equal to I square RT. So heat produced by the conductor depends upon current and the resistance. So in order to reduce the heat loss, we can reduce the current or we can reduce the resistance, because it is proportional to square of current and the resistance. So the loss can be decreased by reducing the resistance or reducing the current. So there are two possible ways to reduce the loss. First is by decreasing the resistance. We know the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. So in order to reduce the resistance, we have to decrease length or we have to increase the cross-section area. But we cannot reduce the length of the conductor because the distance between the powerhouse and the villages or cities cannot be decreased. The distance is fixed, so we cannot increase or decrease this distance. And another one is we can increase the area. If we increase the cross-sectional area of the wire become bulky and the cost of wire also increases. So this method is also expensive. So both the ways cannot be used. So we have to have another way. So another way is by increasing the voltage or by stepping up the voltage. So let's see how it is done. So the power generated by the powerhouse will be given by P is equal to VI, and if you take this I this side, so I is equal to P by V. Out here the power generated by the powerhouse is fixed, so I can either increase or decrease voltage. So if we increase the voltage, then current will decrease because they are inversely proportional. So when we increase the voltage, current decreases, and when current decreases, the heat lost is also decreased because heat depends on the square of current. Increasing the voltage using a transformer, we can decrease the current. So let's understand the process properly. So in board exam you will get the question like this: how is large scale transmission over long distance is done with the help of transformer? So first we'll write, in long distance transmission of high current and low voltage, there is a large amount of loss in energy because of heating effect of current. So power loss can be reduced by decreasing current or by reducing the resistance. So as the resistance of the transmission wire cannot be decreased, which we have already discussed, but current can be decreased by increasing the voltage with the help of step up transformer. So in this picture you can see, at powerhouse we get low voltage and high current, which will be required in our houses, but to send it to our houses we have the transmission line in between. So in the powerhouse, what do? We step up the voltage to high voltage and low current, and will send the energy to the villages and cities. So while transferring the low current, there is less loss. So after reaching the village, the voltage is again stepped down to low voltage and high current, which can be used in our house directly. So this is the whole process. So this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.